motion, just need to see what you're doing there. Then next was soft. Oh, beautiful. This is really difficult for us to do, to be fair. I mean, there's a lot of things we've done, but I'm finding this particularly peculiar and very unnatural. It's almost a little bit like, it's still natural. It's almost like you're dancing.
Move, Jake.
Oh, gee, that seems, it's all worse if we get one little son. You realise that you might be embarrassed, but if you don't, I'm deeply embarrassed. If you don't get this, you guys will never meld. Okay. Just send me home, afraid. Yeah, please do. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's not a deep thing on you. Just gotta relax. You're not very peaceful. Come on. See.
Come on.
Now stream. Little pinchy up in the pee. Oh. I can't do it. Sorry.